Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Today I'm gonna talk about ChatDoc. As you can see here, ChatDoc is an AI assistant that can read and analyze documents including PDFs. It can extract, locate, and summarize information from files, and users can ask questions and get instant answers with cited sources. So why you should use ChatDoc? It can have several benefits for you. For example, you can read and learn faster. Another example is when you have a long PDF and you just want to know the summary. So if you're a student, you may find this tool very helpful. Let's go on and get it started. When you click on this button, you should sign up first, and then when you log in, you have this page. Now you can upload your PDF from here, and you should wait for the AI tool to process your documents. So when the processing is finished, you are allowed to ask some questions about the PDF. You can see some sample questions from here. The first thing that it might be useful for you is to know the summary of this PDF. So you can ask to tell me a summary about this PDF. Now we can have the summary, and in addition there are some references. For example, this is the reference to this text and some other references in your PDF. Another thing about this tool that might be helpful for you is that you can select some text and also tables and ask for a conclusion. Draw a conclusion from this table. So you can have a conclusion from the data in the table. Also, you can ask about any paragraphs or selected text. You can ask specific questions about this paragraph. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.